What's up? It's your boy RJ 3 Stacks here. I'm at Railroad Square today visiting a friend of mine who just opened up his new studio. They're doing a lot of things for creatives, so I'm out here to show y'all what I'm talking about, introduce you to my mans, and let him put y'all on game. Boy, they made that ball, you feel me? Get ahead of the curve before he start getting pussy. Shake that mud, cuz. Shake that mud, cuz. No stress. You about to come out right now. Check out my boy. Ooh, grand appearance. That was all script. Ain't gonna lie.
What up, man?
I'm gonna go ahead and let you introduce yourself.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What's good? This your boy L Smooth, the entrepreneur, also part CEO of VEZ. It's three of us, and the VEZ stands for VEZ, and that's Vondre, Entrepreneur, and Zeph. So those are the three CEOs, myself included, and we created this hub, this natural, organic hub for all artists and producers to come through as a collective.
But we're gonna take a quick look inside. He already let me know he giving us an early sneak peek, so yeah. I can't show y'all everything, but I'm gonna give you a little taste. I'm gonna try to get us something. What you said, Coda? No, but I'm trying to get us something. We're gonna work out some magic. Step in here with us. But right now we're stepping into phase 1 of the VEZ Productions. We're in the studio part where they do the mixing and matching. I ain't gonna pretend like I know everything about this production part, but I like the colors.
This right here is our control room. We pretty much get all of our beats, get all of our productions. We do our mixing, mastering in here. We do a light master, but we don't consider ourselves like a mastering suite studio. But we do all productions. We've had Wu-Tang Clan sessions in here. We work with Royce Lovett. We work with Sky Jenga. We work with Nivea. All of these are different artists that you can find on Spotify, iTunes, and so yeah, that's what we got going on. Whenever this sessions load up, I might give y'all a little sneak peek, just let you know what's going on. Yeah, matter of fact, here it is. We had a poet actually come on, and I did a listening session, and I just played him a little bit of this here.
They convinced us that receiving welfare is only considered a handout if the hand is brown. And you can murder a man in cold blood and still claim self-defense as long as the man is brown. But there's royalty in my blood, and I know you only spill it because you can't stand my crown. If you ever you got a bunch of black friends, or you saw Black Panther 3 times in the theater, so there's no way that my black skin could ever be something you would hate me for. I need to know, what kind of food do you take me for?
That's it, man.
Oh, that's organic.
Yeah, that's one of my artists, man. One of my poets, Nick Austin, man. Shout out to Nick. He does poetry. Shout out to Black on Black Rhyme Poets as well. But he came through, he heard this beat, and he was like, hey, man, I think one of my pieces will go perfectly with that. So this one piece that he created is called White Noise. So look for that to come soon, straight from VEZ, straight from Nick Austin, man.
But yeah, so that was the production of part of phase 1. But you have other things in here. I'm looking around. Yeah. So tell me what's going on.
We are now in our phase 2 area, also known as our live room. We're looking to make this the biggest live acoustically treated room in Tallahassee and North Florida area. We do have some panels that you can see in the back that we've customized, and we're going to get those up. We're going to create like a triangle pattern up there, and then we have some rectangles that we're also going to put on the side walls. As you can see, we got our nice red couch, man, to kind of contrast off the black wall. And this is something, yeah, even RJ was like, hey, that red couch is a vibe. We're gonna have a podcast, man, called The Red.
Y'all gonna see that couch.
Yeah.
Get a good look.
Get a good look, man. Yeah. So we are very proud of this room. Any content creation. Yeah.
What can we
that section, that section we still, that's phase 3. We're not going there yet. Yeah, it's lot for right now. Yeah, man. I know, right? Yeah, man. That we're gonna have to give y'all an update video, man. But I wanna definitely shout out the live room here. Bring your people, man. If they need a space to record, rehearse, just come in and work on ideas. This is the spot. We got the vocal booth over here, the VEZ booth. That's what we call it. But we appreciate everybody, just learning about us right now. We're definitely excited about working with all the artists and producers in this area. And y'all make sure y'all check out our website too, VEZProductions.com.
That's it right there. I ain't even got to say nothing else. But you know I am anyway. Like he said, y'all check him out, visit him, click on some things. Yeah. Can they subscribe? Is there you can subscribe. Go ahead and get that early subscription in. Yeah. You know, if you mention my name, you get a I'm just talking. It's like a one-stop shop. Yeah. I ain't going nowhere else. I'm sorry, Walmart. You used to be my one-stop shop, but now I'm with VEZ Productions. Peace.
RJ Beats, no stress.